How you doing, guys? Welcome to another episode. And in this episode I'm gonna show you why you need to replace your brake fluid. For my recommendation, and I'll do it once a year. If you don't do it, that's what happens. Probably in this car they never replace it. You see all that rust, and this is what I remove from the reservoir with my turkey baster. You see all this rust. This is not even brake fluid anymore. So I removed that. I put clean one, and unfortunately the cap that I have with my power bleeder don't fit in this Mazda, and I had to do it manually with this one right here. And if you can see all that rust, the only thing that you need to do, remove your tires. And I start on the driver's side because it's the closest to the master. I want to remove all that rust, all that oil fluid out of the system, and then you start in the closest one to the master, which is gonna be the driver's side. And the only thing you need in this Mazda 5/16 range, and then I'm gonna start pumping and removing the whole rusty fluid from the system. Hopefully we can remove everything and get new fluid. You can see right there how rusty and all it looks. See that right there? It's not good at all. Okay, that's something else, guys. I'm gonna put more brake fluid. Hopefully we eliminate all that rust. Okay, guys, I'm here in the back. I'm finishing flushing the system. And tell me, do you guys see so much rust on the brakes before? Look at all this brake fluid with rust. This thing was really bad. I think they never replaced it. Unfortunately, I couldn't use the other one, my power bleeder, but this one get the job done. It's a lot more work, so you have to squeeze that handle so much. I have no energy right now, but it's doable. I think I mentioned this in another video. I don't like to press the pedal because when you open and close the bleeder valve and somebody else is pressing the pedal, your pedal is traveling too much, way more than what it's supposed to, or way more than what actually travels. So when it goes all the way down, you're gonna go to some places where it never been before, and because all this rust, that rust in the pedal is gonna eat away the seals, and the car is gonna start leaking brake fluid. So that's my recommendation. That's up to you guys. I'm just showing you what I do right now, and if you can see, this one definitely needed so much rust. So that's why it's important to change your brake fluid at least once a year, because you can see this brake fluid never been changed, just people been adding brake fluid. What happens is the brake fluid absorbs water, so being hydroscopic means that it's gonna absorb water, and all that water inside the system create all this rust. That's why it's important to replace it at least once a year, and I make sure that I do that at least once a year. So that's why you have to replace it, guys. Don't forget to do it. And that's gonna be it for this video. I hope you like it, guys. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next one. Peace.